Hey everyone, I wanted to quickly, as promised, show you how to bookmark your favorite sites, particularly those sites that have sensitive information on them so that you know you are going to your banking site or your login site instead of using a click through on an email that could be phishing for your password. So how do we do that? Well, as you can see, I'm here in a Chrome browser. It works virtually the same way in Edge or Safari, and maybe I'll make a video later on how to do that. But it's the same. You're going to find your bookmark settings. So what you want to do in your Chrome browser is to go directly to your banking site, the one that you know, bank. So let's say you have Bank of America. So bankofamerica.com. Okay, you know that's your site. All right. So we want to bookmark this site so that we know quickly how to reach the site instead of remembering how to type it or if it's the correct site. So you only have to do this once, making sure it is your correct banking site. And then when you get an email, you can go directly into your browser and don't click on the link in the email, especially if it doesn't call you by name. Okay, so you're going to go up here to the upper right corner and you're going to see three dots. Now this might look a little different on your browser. You might have different extensions or no extensions, but you're going to go up here and you're going to click on these three dots. Now, if you ever are running tech support, sometimes these will be referred to as the hamburger. You'll see it's the bun and the meat in the middle, but we're going to click on this three dots and you're going to get a menu. Then you're going to click on bookmarks. You're going to get another menu. And you're going to say, bookmark this tab. Now, there you go. Easy as that. Look where it showed up. It's right here now. And so let's say I go back to Google. And I've checked my email and I am not sure if this email came from my bank. So I want to make sure it came from my bank. So I go to my Google browser or my Chrome browser or any other browser. And instead of clicking on the link in the email, I go straight to the bookmark I have. I log in as normal. And of course, if your bank or your login site or secure password site wants to tell you something, it will be in your notifications. If you don't see something there, like your account has been compromised, then you have nothing to worry about. Delete that email and go on about your day. Okay, but maybe we have more than one bank, or we have several financial sites. Or maybe you have a bank account at Bank of America, and let's say you have a credit card at Chase. So you're going to go to chase.com. You can see that there's an email ready for you to fill out right there, or a password and username. And then let's say you also have a bank account at USAA.com. Or maybe your insurance is with USAA. There you go. There is the USAA, and you can see where you can log in right there. Now I want to know, how can I get my business done in an easy way? Guess what? I'm about to show you. So click on your three dots again in the upper right corner. Go to bookmarks. And this time, instead of bookmark this tab, you're going to bookmark all tabs. And it's going to ask you for a new folder name. And that folder name is going to be banking. It's going to go under your bookmarks bar. Go ahead and capitalize that. Okay. Click Save. And there you go. Now, if I was to close out of these tabs and go back to Google, or just watching the news, or maybe I'm on Facebook, but I've got banking to do for the day. And I want everything opened at once, and I want to make sure that I am on my correct banking accounts. Go to banking, and there they are, right there. And you want a fun trick? Left click on it and open them all at once. Look at there. Everything is there. Now, isn't that cool? And before I let you go, I want to let you know we've got an exciting announcement to make. Are you just lost in the digital world? Or maybe you're big tech savvy and you want to take it to the next level. Well, we are soon going to be offering a membership from the Internet Lady. And we'll have open office hours, places where you can get your questions asked and answered, and just some wonderful videos and educational opportunities to really take your digital world experience to that next level. Stay tuned for that announcement. I look forward to seeing you in the group. Bye-bye.